가자
큰 북을 울려 한 방에 날려 길을 비켜라 저기 나 발소리가 들린다 님과 함께 밤새도록 놀아 이거는 트랩 부비 트랩 나 발소리가 들린다 가자 가자 저기 나 발소리가 들린다 가자 오늘 다리 좋구나 저기 나 발소리가 들린다 이저로 놀아
Hey guys, it's Rina. So we went through Lit by ONEUS last Tuesday and Thursday in my K-pop workshop in Arizona. It was a quite bit hard choreography, but more than that, it was really fun song. And whether they got it or not, everyone enjoyed doing that choreography so much. So it's really worth to dance it. If you want to learn that choreography, I have a tutorial video of the exact same part that we went through in this K-pop workshop. So make sure to scroll down, find the URL from the description, and let's dance together. We have this K-pop workshop every Tuesday and Thursday, and if you are living in Arizona, join us. We've been doing different songs and parts every week. Thank you guys so much for always watching our dance workshop view. Please give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and follow my social media as well. See you guys next week. Bye!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4,
You got